Have you ever felt like no one really likes you or want to be around you? Sometimes we don't notice that small details in our behaviors can push people away, and the worst part is we don't even know why. In this video, we'll be talking about 9 reasons why people don't like you and how to change that. Hi, I'm good, Eric. If you're new here, hi, please stay by clicking the like button, subscribing to my channel, and of course, turning on your notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Trust me, you will love it here. And if you're not new, you already know where best is. Welcome back. In this video, like I said earlier, we'll be talking about 9 reasons why people don't like you and how to change that. Coming in at number 1, you are quick to judge. No one likes to be judged. You are so quick to judge people. You make comments about people even before you get to know them deeply. Listen, don't judge anyone at first or second impression. It's true they say first impression matters. I agree with you. But listen, try to get to know this person and understand this person, before you judge them deeply, before you jump into conclusion about them. The fact is that you will never really know the full story about someone's life, so don't be quick to judge. Give them that benefit of the doubt. Okay, the second reason why people don't like you is that you gossip a lot. You spread rumors and you divulge other people's secrets. Even your gossiping is quite life-ruining as you use people's secrets against them. That's why people are scared to be around you or even share their secrets with you, since they already know the kind of person you are. Because they know if they tell you their secrets, they will hear it somewhere else. You don't know how to keep secrets. You gossip a lot. Listen, don't be a gossiper or a rumor spreader. Whenever you want to spread any rumor about anybody, always remember that one rumor spread by you is enough to ruin someone's family, career, or their whole life in general. And if someone tells you their secret, don't use it against them. Even if you're no longer friends with that person, still keep that secret. Keep your mouth shut. The third reason why people don't like you is that you are obsessive in a friendship. Because you think you're friends with them, they must give you all their attention and their time. And whenever that doesn't happen, you get really jealous and act so crazy because you want all their time. You don't even want to share your friends with someone else. That is bad. That is really bad. Listen, treat your friends as your friends and not your properties. Yes, although you should obviously have the right boundaries set. For example, your friends shouldn't be friends with your enemies. And finally, accept that your friends have their own life to live and they have the right to choose who they want to be friends with. It's okay for you to let them know that you don't like a particular person or group of persons they hang around with, but you must do that with respect. The fourth reason why people don't like you is that you are manipulative. Everyone has their own opinion. No one likes to be influenced by other people's thoughts or choice. They might not like you because you try to manipulate them with your own thoughts and opinion. Try to master the skill of making people understand your point, as opposed to manipulating them and influencing them with your thoughts. The fifth reason why people don't like you is that you are self-obsessed. Some people are all about themselves. They only talk about their struggles, their achievements, their issues all the time, without giving a moment to even ask others about their own life struggles. Always remember this: the world doesn't revolve around you. Whenever you are out with people or someone, don't try to be the center of attention. Be more generous by treating the friendship as it is. Make sure you are asking others about their own life struggles, their achievements, and all that is going on with them as well. It mustn't be about you alone. And that brings me to the next point. You never invest time and effort. You are always all about getting and getting from people and never giving. Remember this. Blessed, right? Blessed is the hand that giveth than the one that taketh. The Bible says you're always there to take, and take. Not everyone will give you money, but their time and attention count as well. So if you're that kind of person that never shows up when they need you, you only show up when you need something from them, they will not want to be friends with you. Know that friendship is not supposed to be one-sided. So always try to give the same time, attention, and if money comes, give. Right. The seventh reason why people don't like you is that you are always blaming people. If you're the type of person that is never ready to take responsibility for your actions or even care about solving problems, no one would want to be around you. You always act victim and try to present others as culprits. You have to learn to take responsibilities for your life and for the things happening with you and around you, even when it's obviously their fault. Don't blame oppressively. Instead, be more understanding and don't act like it is their fault. Guys, before I get down to the eighth and the final point, which is number 9, I just want to remind you to like this video, comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Whatever reasons why you think people don't like people, just drop them down, or any reason why you don't like people, let me know in the comment section. Okay, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and share with your friends that you think would need this. Okay, so the 8th reason why people don't like you is that you have anger issues. It's true, anger is a very common human emotions, and it's not very easy to keep our angers to ourselves all the time. Whenever something pisses you off or angers you, always try to speak up about it. Okay, however, anger issues are real. If you allow your anger to always be out all the time, people will be scared of you, because they will try to be very careful, because they don't know what to say and how to act towards you that won't get you pissed. With that being said, learn to control your anger. Learn to gain full control over your emotions. Do different mindfulness activities if needed, but please don't scare people off. The last and final reason why people don't like you is that you have poor hygiene. Yes, I'm big on this one. I personally would not like you if you have poor hygiene. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not saying it for you to smile. I'm not saying it to make you happy. I personally will run away with my slippers, my shoes off if you have poor hygiene. People can't be comfortable around you because you always give them that impression that you don't have time to care for yourself and your physical appearance. Listen, no one wants to be around people with poor hygiene, regardless the closeness. Make an effort to take good care of yourself. Smell nice, brush your teeth, iron your clothes, look presentable. Trust me, no one would dislike you if you do all of these things. If you're clean, no one will dislike you. And that's all I have for you in today's video. Yes, this is the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video pops up. And yes, I post every Wednesdays and Sundays right now. So yes, guys, always stay tuned to this channel, because yeah, we always have it fun here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.